Hi nostalgic home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making an easy rustic strawberry shortcake. This rustic strawberry shortcake is made of soft, buttery biscuits, thick, sweet whipped cream, ruby red strawberry sauce, and an abundance of strawberries. This is a true old-fashioned summertime dessert to celebrate the abundance of the strawberry harvest. This easy decadent dessert comes together in no time and only requires a few simple ingredients to make. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make an easy rustic strawberry shortcake. For this dessert, you can use a variety of biscuits, tea cakes, or even scones. But for this strawberry shortcake recipe today, we're going to be using buttermilk biscuits. The slight tang and delicately flaky texture pairs perfectly with the sweet tart strawberries and silky smooth cream. For this recipe, the first thing I need to do is make the biscuits. If you want to make the same buttermilk biscuits as I'm using here, check the link in the description box below for the full recipe and video. The next part is the cream. I'm going to make a cheesecake cream for these strawberry shortcakes today. I'm going to whip 2 cups of 35% cream until soft and light. Beat in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of softened cream cheese, and 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. Whip this mixture until it holds a stiff peak. Next up, I'm going to make a simple strawberry sauce. I've defrosted a bag of frozen strawberries and I'm going to puree this down. Add the fruit to a saucepan on medium heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1/2 cup of sugar. Stir and let this simmer down until it's reduced by about 1/3. Remove it from the heat and allow to cool. I'm also going to need a good supply of fresh strawberries for this recipe. Now that all of my components are ready, I can store them away and make these quick and easy personal-sized desserts at a moment's notice. To assemble your rustic shortcake, split each biscuit in half or in thirds. Spread on the strawberry sauce, slice some fresh strawberries and layer with the cream. Continue building your cake up with all the decadent layers. Garnish with a dollop of cream and fresh strawberries on top. The sauce and cream will store perfectly in airtight containers in the fridge for about 5 days, so you can make these quick and easy desserts in no time whenever that sweet tooth strikes. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.